analysis, and you need to be consistent with your analysis, completely detached from me. So the goal is for you to know what I'm going to say before I say it in these weekly commentaries, or before I point to something in a marketplace saying it's going to do this, it's going to do that, or focus here, or focus there. When you are able to do that, you're exactly where you are supposed to be and what you paid to learn. That's graduation. When you know what I'm going to say before I say it, and you're able to find the setups in the marketplace, frame them, manage the risk, and find a positive outcome to that consistently, that's graduation. That's how you know you made it. All of you are going to get there at a different
Okay, yep. It's another beautiful day. There's nothing to do. There's always something to do anyways, but I am not obliged to engage price. Like, I don't think I'm going to below. We're trading in all-time high territories, and so I'm leaving the market to just do justice to whatever it wants to do. And we're bullish. We've been strongly bullish for a very long time, like all the way from April, over 2 months right now. And earlier today I had this level marked out, which was previous day's high, Friday, previous day's high, and kind of like have some form of divergence there before, where these highs were being rated by ES, but it was left on NQ. But there was no reason for me to engage price. I just delineated it to see, how price will react, and we had a sell-off down to weekly open, and ES failed to do that. So there's, and like my protocol, like I always engage. If we are above relevant opening price, I look for bearish price action. If we're below it, I look for bullish PAs. So, however, we're trading in all-time high territories, and I'm not bearish. But you want us to be, because you want to sell off, and there's no reason to be bearish because there's nothing price is coming to run above. Yes, we did run this previous day high, and that will signal continuation. because it's a run, not a sweep of those eyes. So, but looking at this price delivery before equity open, there was no justification, no way to engage price. So price opened and took off. So other people might be looking for, reasons to be bearish. You could want to annotate this inversion fair value gap, and expect something from me, but just 1 minute PA that doesn't hold weight for me, doesn't have any impact compared to what we have on the hourly time frame, compared to what we have on the 4-hour time frame. We're in a very strong bullish market condition. So yeah, you say, this is like, closure below this lows. So you have change of character here. Price is coming into this fair value gap, and we are now traded off into premium leg. So some traders might want to take, but no, I'm not interested in that. I'm not interested in that. No reason. And this week, there's no news on Monday, which is today, no news tomorrow, no news on Wednesday, and our first high impact news comes out on Thursday, which is unemployment claims. So we'll see how the week goes. I will allow Monday to play out as it wants to, and I expect that to give us an information as regards to how Tuesday candle will be like. So, just quick pick daily. There's nothing. It's just to keep watching price, leave it to do what it wants to do. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Enjoy price moving. Enjoy price movement or price delivery. But we'll see. Maybe ES is going to give us something nice. Maybe. ES could do something nice. Because even times when you decide not to click the button, you're still making money, preserving capital. Capital preservation is important. For me, I see them as bullets. I want to have bullets in my gun so that when it's time for me to shoot, I have enough resources to take my shots. Because when I waste it right now, when I use it, without caution, then I'm at loss. Very nice candle displacement, over 150 candle on point. Not bad. 9 AM. And all of this came from 9:15. Yeah, 9:15 just. And if we look at real-time regular trading hours, we can see gap displacement. You can see that on regular trading hours. So maybe price is going to come back. I don't know. Maybe. You never can tell. And the inversion is being respected. Okay. SM2 with ES. Are those eyes? SM2 with ES. ES making a lower low. So I have more downside confirmation at these lows. Okay. Sorry about that.